Okay, so we're about to pull down the Hayling, Kampa Hayling 4 pole tent and pack it away into its bag. Now again, watching the other YouTube video on it by Atwalls, their guys took 6 minutes to completely pack it away from being totally sort of erected to being in its bag. I anticipate it's going to take us considerably longer, as we don't sort of pitch and pack up tents every day like they do, and we're a bit more sort of real world type people, occasional campers, and doing this for pretty much the very first time. So let's see how long it takes us. Let's go, let's get this packed up. Okay, so 12 minutes and 53 seconds. They call it 13 minutes from start to finish. Okay, so that's how you both put up and take down a Kampa Hayling 4 pole tent. And as you saw from the footage, it took us 29 minutes to put it up and 13 minutes to take it down. So realistically that's probably going to be how long it's going to take you if you've never put one of them up before. And I'd anticipate that coming down to probably 20 minutes to put up and 10 minutes to take down once you're used to it a little bit. Sort of key takeaways or key recommendations is do have a little trial run in the garden or somewhere if you possibly can before going to site just to get used to it. And also there's a few things when it comes from the factory, they sort of bundle up the guy lines all really tightly, which takes a little bit of undoing, so that's going to take you a little bit extra time when setting up. So if you have a trial run, you can sort of get those all undone. And the other sort of key takeaway is we didn't roll up, when we were putting away, we didn't roll up the tent quite tightly enough, so it was a bit of a struggle to get into the bag. And when we had our camper air awning, when we had a caravan, the bag they gave you for that was a lot more generous, so you could afford to be a little bit sloppy with your sort of folding up and rolling up, but this is a lot tighter a fit, so next time we're going to have to sort of make sure we roll up that tent a lot more sort of neatly and tightly, so that it just goes in the bag a bit more easily. But yeah, apart from that, it looks like a fantastic tent, pretty easy to put up and take down, so yeah, I can certainly recommend the Kampa Hayling 4 pole tent. Thanks for watching.